how much daily budget do you allocate for a new listing launch campaign? We are very aware of how much money the brand has to run campaigns. Second, we look into the cost per click for the highest relevant keywords that we are aiming to target, depending on the category. If you are in kitchen and dining, probably you're going to get away with lower CPCs. So if it's $1 CPC, even $2 CPC, you can afford to get 10 clicks or even 20 clicks for an item that is $40, right? Now, when it comes to supplements and beauty brands, what we're seeing is that the CPC, the cost per click, is so high that you have to be dialing in on one keyword, two keywords, three keywords, gather that data, see how it works for you. And if it's not working, by not working, 30 people clicked on this listing, I'm spending $20 per click and it's not converting and I'm selling a $20 product. That is a clear sign that, hey, you're not converting. Either the keyword is not relevant, either the keyword is too broad, either simply your listing is not competitive enough when it comes down to your competitors. It's really important for us to have a goal of monthly how much are we going to spend. If we plan to allocate $1,000, $3,000, $10,000, $20,000, now the brands that we're managing, they're spending more. So I'm just like giving you also like lower numbers so it's realistic. But if that is the goal, $30,000, how am I going to split this $30,000 per day in order to go close to that budget, or even if things are working really well, maybe expand that budget? That is the way we are going to prioritize. Instead of how to spend per day, we are thinking how much would we spend per quarter, then per month, then per day.